we are in the car right now, and I guess, how many minutes now is it when we're going camping?
1 hour.
No,
Used to be
1
2
hour,
hours. It used to be 2 hours, now it's 1 hour.
1 hour and 10 minutes. We have to wait. Actually, 1 hour and 9 minutes now. We are gonna go camping, and it's gonna take a long time just to wait, but look how much stuff we have. Pillows, some stuff in the back. And what are you playing, Tyson?
Slither.
Here, Tyson, look, the camera. What are you playing?
Playing Slither.
Seriously. Tyson, I want to see. Tyson, look here at the camera. Ah, look. Oh, okay. Yeah, we're really far.
Move, you know. Stop, I have to turn around.
So, it stopped raining. That's good. Very. But I want to. So, my back is hurting. But I have a glow in the dark fidget spinner and I bring it. So. And that's all I bring. Actually, no. I bring this my phone. iPhone 6. And this camera. And my real camera. And what else did I bring? Is that all I bring? Oh, I also bring this. I bring this kind of watch my Mola gave me. And this hair tie. Just in case. And we just have a lot of stuff. And yeah. So I'm basically bored. I'm gonna continue this after when we leave because my mom's in the bathroom with my sister, so yeah.